guys, it's cleanup day here at the ATSF Paradigm Division. I got 6 years worth of garbage, trash and extra stuff under and on top of tables. You can see some of it here. I've kind of cleaned out this corner. It's almost 3 garbage bags. And you can see all the stuff I've got in the aisle. That's one of the reasons why I haven't been able to run trains very far. So I got all that to clean up. And there's all this stuff underneath that needs to be gotten rid of or rearranged in a more logical manner other than just big piles. I'm trying to gather up some of the remaining electrical stuff that I want to keep, and keep finding stuff. Found a whole bunch of old caboose that I was going to do something with. I don't know whether I'm still going to do stuff with them or not. And just piles. Here's some more parts I've been finding in boxes and stuff. I just keep stacking. I got to put them in another box, and you can see I got a bunch of buildings, mailing labels here to be shredded, bunch of stuff here that needs to go back under and be organized, more boxes to be put away, containers for cars and stuff, stuff on the back of the layout up there. So but I got a lot of stuff over here that needs to be gone through and either organized, restacked, moved to the other side of the building for storage. And so got a lot of work to do. But anyway, that's what I'm doing right now. And so that's why you see a lot of stuff just running up here in the Union Station area, because I don't have a lot of room on the layout to be running stuff. So we'll see you next time. Bye. Just a quick update on the cleaning. This is after about 3 days worth of cleaning. You can see I've cleaned up most of the debris that was there, tools, etc. I've got them sorted out down there in my chair and stuff, and gotten rid of, I don't know, I think it was like 7 or 8 garbage bags worth of old boxes and just stuff I didn't need anymore. Actually found down at the far end down there 3 boxes of rolling stock I didn't remember having. So that's what happens. And an engine, by the way. So, and I did clean up most of this area over in here. The LSX, which is the stock car train, is now in place. As you can see, there's some of my car cards from when I had the layout in the house, and these are the kind, if I can grab it, that have the pictures of the car on them. So I'll need to make sure I got those all updated to what my current running rolling stock are. So, but anyway, just wanted to give you a quickie update. I'm going to continue to work. I've got to clean up some of the stuff here around this helix and the other helix. And I went out yesterday and got this new stack of drawers. So I'll be trying to organize everything like I should have from the beginning. I still got more stuff under here to do, but it's just a matter of trying to find a place that I can find stuff later on. So, but anyway, thanks for watching. We'll get back to you when we're all done. Bye.